Now, the former Deputy President Gachagua and a section of opposition leaders are currently attending the Kibaki Memorial Lecture and Luncheon in Nairobi. Wiper leader Kalonzo Musyoka has accused the government of harassing children during the drama festivals currently ongoing in Nakuru. We now cross over live to listen in various speakers addressing the feat.
Because of a failed intelligence system, you know, that will not happen. So if a decision needed to be made that is a bad play and people should not see it, ingesimamishiwa huko mbali, because the houses on the ground every day, lakini watu wote wamelala, kila mtu anatafuta pesa. Hii serikali ni ya biashara. Watu ya intelligence wanatafuta biashara, watu ya polisi wanatafuta biashara, rais mwenyewe anatafuta biashara. Sasa, you know, these are things that would make Mwai Kibaki turn in his grave. You know, tuko na shida kubwa, lakini Mungu anatusaidia. So Jacob Haji, we are forming a political party in May. Tutatangaza. We look for a way to work with the Democratic Party. We would like to be associated with Mwai Kibaki and what he achieved. Wacha ni introduce huyu Ketu Aruguru, simama, pigia makofi. Huyu mrembo ya Laikipia. And we have our daughter. She's called Gather in Kikuyu land. The Honorable Gadoni wa Muchomba. Tuko na Masi Gakuya, alikuwa mjumbe hapo Kasarani. She has been associated with this party for a long time. Of course, tuko na Norman Nyaga na wengine, na tumeshukuru sana, and the organizers of this.
Well, that was the former Deputy President at the Kibaki Memorial Lecture, talking so much about his serikali ni ya biashara. That's what he said. But moving on now in matters business, the art of making the perfect cup of coffee is bringing new opportunities for Kenyan youth. A barista course, once considered a niche skill, is now gaining popularity across TVET institutions in the country. With the rising demand for skilled coffee makers in the Kenya's booming hospitality industry, more students are enrolling to master the craft, turning passion